Okay, so we are going to create 18 inches by 18 inches artboard. The first thing I'm going to do is add a black solid color on top. Then I'm going for the ellipse tool, then draw an ellipse. Then after this, I'll grab my rectangle tool, then draw 4 squares. So I'll duplicate it 3 times. Then after that, I'll select all of them, then resize it to span them across the whole width of the artboard. Then I'll add a stroke to all of them, positioning them well. Now I'll start adding images. For this first one, I'll just clip it and change the blend mode to luminosity, but the fill being purple is interrupting, so I will change the fill to black, then do the same thing for the rest of the squares, else that purple effect will appear. So I'll continue adding or clipping images into these squares. So for this part, I'll go for the ellipse to make an ellipse, then center it within that circular part of the camera lens, then clip an image into that. So I'll clip it into the ellipse. I'll create an exposure, then invert it, then grab my brush to make sure that white is on top, then brush the edges to make it darker. Then I'll create a solid color on top, then clip it into that image, then lower the opacity to blend. So I'll bring this logo, place it here. Then from my previous videos, I'll just go and grab text from my previous videos as assets, then I'll just put them in here. I really love this text, that's why I've been using them through my videos, but I think this is the last time I use it. Then I'll go back and take another text. These are all from my previous videos, you can check them out on my channel. So I'll go ahead and create a pentagon. You click once, then select the size that you want, then you go change the fill, place it here, add my text, then I'll select both of them, then link them, then duplicate them. Then I'll start changing the text. And I'll create a rectangle. Then change the fill color. I'll go ahead and bring in these contact us details from my previous videos. I just have them, so I'll just drag and drop them in to make the video short, simple. So you can go ahead and check my other photography flyers out there on my channel to get more ideas on photography flyers. So I'm just adding more touches to it. So I have 2 other photography flyers in my channel. You can go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and add a comment in the comment section. So at this point, you're going to add glow lights. I'll create a new layer on top, change the blend mode to color dodge, then start adding glow lights to our finished work. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and add a comment in the comment section. And I'm out. Peace.